Hey, I'll say hi, you're on video.
We're videoing you torquing your wheels down in the rain. Gotta love changing your brakes, don't you?
Put your back into it, you pussy.
By the way, I'm posting this on RXA Club.
That's cool. Fucking great.
I do like the corners that you got though. The new ones.
I'm not a fan.
They look good on the white, and that's it.
White and, yeah, that's white.
White and black.
Possibly black.
I'm only gonna do a minute of this.
Dude, you're stoked.
Yeah. I should feel kind of good about it.
I know, it probably does. Hey, where's your phone at?
It's on my car.
Okay. Just making sure it's not in your pocket.
Yeah, that would suck.